Developing a solid business project or plan can be incredibly overwhelming, often requiring hours of structuring and formatting before you even get down to the actual strategy. But what if you could streamline that entire process? Today, we are looking at Venngage AI Plan Generator, a powerful design tool that lets you go from a single text prompt to a comprehensive, professionally designed plan in just minutes. Right, let's jump in, and I'll show you exactly how this works. I'm starting here on Venngage AI Plan Generator, and the whole idea is dead simple. You go from one prompt to a finished, professional-looking plan in a couple of minutes. No blank page. No sitting there staring at an empty canvas, wondering where to even start. You just tell it what you're planning, and it builds the whole structure for you. So all I'm going to do is describe what I need. I'll give it a real example, a marketing plan for launching a new app, and I'll throw in a bit of detail about the goals, the timeline, and the channels I'm keen on. And that's the trick here. The more context you give it, the sharper the result comes back. So I'm just going to go generate plans, and that's a part one really. While it's working, you can already watch it laying everything out. You know, sections, headings, a timeline, the lot. It's all structured for you. So in a few seconds, we've gone from a one-sentence prompt to a complete, organized plan. Now, that's something that would normally eat up a good chunk of your afternoon. And there you have it, the final product it's given me. You can see here I asked for the 90-day go-to-market marketing plan for the launch, and it's done it. So it's got the first 30 days. You've got focus, objectives, channels, budget allocation, success metrics. You've then got the first 60 days and then the first 90 days, so it's broken it down for me perfectly. Here's where it gets good. This isn't just some flat export you're stuck with. It drops you straight into the editor, and everything on the page is fully editable. So if you're not a designer, you can make this look great without touching a single proper design tool. And if you are a designer, you've got all the room you want to go deeper. So say I want this opening paragraph to punch a bit harder. I just select the text, open the AI writing tools, and I can rewrite it, tighten it up or expand it without ever leaving the page or breaking my flow. So you can see I'm asking it to rewrite this into 2 punchy, confident sentences aimed at busy stakeholders. Keep it concise and action-orientated, and then I'll just click go. And it's done it for you. So it says, I've updated the text to be more direct for your stakeholders. Our 90-day strategy scales flow state into market leader through targeted social influencer and paid campaigns. We are positioned to capture the productivity market and drive rapid user acquisition. So it's done exactly what I asked for. Just punchier, 2 sentences. Perfect. So it's the same deal with the visuals. Instead of digging through a stock library, I can just generate a custom icon that actually fits the brand. I'll describe what I want, pick a style, and swap out one of the default icons for it. So I'll head over to generate icons here, and describe what I'm after. So I've gone for a minimalist flatline icon of a rocket launching, single accent color, clean and modern, and then I'll just click generate. And there you go. 4 different ones that you can choose from. Personally, I'll probably go for this one, and it just drops right in. Perfect. You can modify it, make AI changes, replace or crop the image, or change shapes, whatever you like. And if you're ever not sure what will look better, the Smart Suggestions feature gives you AI-powered design tips on the fly, little nudges to tighten the layout up without second-guessing yourself. Now, this next bit is something most design tools just don't bother with, and it's worth paying attention to. Venngage is built around accessible design, so before I export, I can actually check that this plan works for everyone who's going to read it, not just assume it does. I open the accessibility checker, and it runs through the entire design. Color contrast, reading order, alt text, all of it. Anything that's a problem gets flagged, and it tells you how to fix it. Anything that passes gets a nice green tick, and it's checking my color contrast as I design, so the text always stays readable. And it'll even write the alt text for my images automatically, so screen readers can actually describe them. Then once it's all sorted, I just export it as a PDF, and that PDF comes out fully accessible, compliant with the standards, ready to hand to a client or a stakeholder with total confidence that everyone can read it. And the best part, right? You don't need to pay a cent to try any of this. Just register for a free account, and you've got access to over 100 AI generators with new ones being added every single week. So whatever you're making next, a plan, report, a pitch deck, there's a tool there ready for it. Transform your designs in minutes with Venngage AI tools. Click the link in my description to generate your first plan for free and use code AIBRIN50 to enjoy 50% off your annual Venngage Premium or Business plan. See you in the next one.